Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to install one of the most amazing mods for Elden Ring. First one being the seamless co-op that allows you to play Elden Ring together in multiplayer with your friends completely from start till the end. So as you can see, the stock version of multiplayer, as you know probably, the stock version of multiplayer in Elden Ring is quite limited. So this fixes this problem completely. So guys, in order to install both mods, we will use Nexus Mods. This is the website with the mods. So just in your search bar, type in Nexus Mods. So let us delete that. So I just show you everything from the scratch. So after tuning into this website, go to search and type in Elden Ring. So that we get into the actual section with the game. Press on this. And after that, guys, you can just not use the search anymore. Just go to popular and you will have bam, as you can see, seamless co-op. Let us open it in the other tab, and we have the convergence right in the bottom, like that. So guys, firstly, seamless co-op installation, very easy. Go to the files, manual download, slow download. You will get this very small, as you can see in size, archive that you will need to download, and of course unzip into your Elden Ring folder. So how to do this? So my friends, you go to Steam library, wherever your Steam library is, choose your corresponding, of course, drive, Steam apps, common, Elden Ring, and game. So I'll start from scratch. Steam library, Steam apps, common, Elden Ring, and game. Okay, and you just drag and drop these files into here. Okay, so this is how to install the Elden Ring. Seamless co-op mod. As you can see, for me it's already installed. Now, in terms of the convergence mod, also very easy. Go to files, manual download, and download the files. Also guys, as you can see, you need to have the Shadow of the Erdtree DLC. So if you don't have it purchased, you will not be able to use this mod. Download, slow download. Alright, so as you can see, it's quite a beefy mod, 152 megabytes. Let's download. Alright guys, so after downloading this mod, it's going to be actually very easy to install. So you will need to download and extract your files. So you just press on download and extract. So you just firstly need to browse the folder. So guys, also make sure to understand something. You do not install this mod into the game directory. It's even stated in the instructions, as you can see. Please do not install the mod into the game directory. So just some random folder, maybe on your desktop. Okay, so just press on browse, create a new folder, name it convergence mod or whatever you desire. After that, download and extract. Press this button, it will download and extract the files for the mod into that folder that you've chosen. So it's very easy to use. And after that, guys, it's very easy. After that, you just launch the bat file, just like I've shown in the previous other videos that I did. So I'm just going to show you the example. All right, so as you can see, guys, you will have this convergence ER. So what do you do now? You just copy your file, which is the executable of the game, into this folder. So let us do that. Okay, so I've copied it, just paste it into here. And after that, you're pretty much done. Just basically press on start convergence.bat, and this will launch your convergence mod easily along with your client and the game itself. Guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.